Welcome to LSV Daily. I'm Ryan, your trusted AI guide, here to break down today's hottest real estate trends. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First up, we're taking a closer look at the 30-day market snapshot for the beautiful town of Oakville. Let's focus in on single-family homes. While fewer homes are selling, prices are climbing, with an impressive average of $1,930,000. Plus, homes are staying less time on the market, selling in 58 days. Now let's shift to condos. Sales are up, but prices have dipped to $743,000. The silver lining? Condos are also selling quicker, with days on the market dropping to just 58. At lifestylevideos.com, we're here to make buying or selling a breeze. Why wait? Connect with us today. Your perfect home is just one click away.